In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to pay at convenience store in Japan. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how you can do a self-checkout at a convenience store, or if it doesn't have self-checkout available, you will still be able to do this. So there are various different ways to pay for your purchase. One of the most common ones is cash. But of course, you will have the option to use credit and debit cards, contactless payments and IC cards, digital wallets and QR codes such as Apple Wallet and so on, and other special payments at places like Konbini. So all that you have to do is locate the self-checkout booth. Of course, this is going to be useful if you want to do the checkout by yourself. If it doesn't have a checkout booth, then just walk up to the counter and find a worker there. Now, when you go over to any of these counters, you will be able to use the tablets or the touch screens provided to issue your payment. So once you arrive here, you can browse through all of the payment options for this particular location. So you will have stuff like credit or debit card, Apple Pay, QuickPay Plus, ID. Just choose the specific one that you would like to use if you are doing this at a self-checkout terminal. They will have a location where you can physically place your card or your phone for the payment method selected. So to issue a contactless payment, place your card or your phone near the card reader. And as long as the NFC capabilities are enabled, if you are using a smartphone, for example, the payment will be issued according to what you selected. It is simple to do. You will see the total here, and self-checkout will be done. If it doesn't have self-checkout, then just walk up to the counter. You will be asked about the payment method, and after you specify it, the worker will set up the payment terminal for you. And you will be able to complete your payment, receive your receipt, and double check the total. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video gave you a general idea on how to pay at a convenience store in Japan, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed, so I highly count on your support. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.